Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues for your Teufel Real headphones. So first we have to head over settings, and here we have to now enter the connections here. Now Bluetooth, and here now we have to turn off the Bluetooth. Now we have to turn off our headphones while we hold the power button here. And after 10 to 20 seconds we can turn on Bluetooth back again. And now we can try to connect to our headphones. If we can connect to our headphones, that's great. But if we have some trouble issues again, we have to do a hard reset. To know how to do a hard reset, check out channel because we have a video for that. And if the hard reset don't work, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.